The Extrude tool can be used to create extruded walls when special modeling requirements, such as an elliptical or other non-circular bend type, is necessary. All extruded solid features will automatically be the same thickness as the rest of the sheet metal walls in the model. Note that when creating an extruded wall, Creo Parametric requires you to add the bend to your sketch. Select this surface as your sketch plane. Then start the Extrude tool from the Shapes group. This will immediately put you into Sketcher mode. We're going to add a non-circular bend, in this case a conic arc, with a tangent line at the end to create the wall. First, add the arc and make sure the connection with the model is tangent. Then, add the tangent line extension for the remainder of the wall. Edit the dimension scheme, and complete the sketch. In the Extrude dashboard, toggle off Remove Material, and in the Graphics area, change the material direction by clicking the material direction arrow to point in the other direction. Just like any other extrude, you can change the depth of the wall using various depth options. After the depth of the extrude has been defined, just complete the feature. In most cases, a flange-type wall attached along a single edge is sufficient to generate this type of geometry, but sometimes your bend might have special requirements, and the extrude feature is perfect when you need to create something completely unique.